Hello, I'm Priscilla Archangel, and my leadership insight for you today is essential leadership shifts for today's environment. Decades ago as a teenager, I had completed my final driver's training class and I was eager to put my new skills to use. Now, this is a rite of passage and it marked my readiness to navigate the open roads with my permit and a parent by my side. My father met me outside of the building in his Ford Pinto wagon, and yes, I'm dating myself. He moved to the passenger seat and told me to drive us home. And at that point I realized, wait a minute, I trained on an automatic, and this is a manual. It's a stick shift. But my father was undeterred. He explained to me how to use the clutch, and he coached me through every jerky, stalled movement on our way home. I was probably a lot more frustrated than he was, but over time I learned to shift gears smoothly, moving from stalling the vehicle with each press of the clutch to skillfully coordinating between the accelerator and the clutch. And eventually I could do it quickly and effortlessly, reaching my destination with minimal thought. And that car became my primary mode of transportation for the next 18 months. We often live our lives in automatic transmission mode, moving through routines without much thought. And I regularly arrive at my destination these days, realizing that I don't really remember the details of the drive unless it was interrupted by road construction or some unexpected conditions. Otherwise, it was a seamless journey. Yet there are always areas in life where we have to shift gears intentionally. We can't always rely on speed or habit. Sometimes we need to pause and be purposeful. Our goals may remain the same, but the methods to achieve them have to evolve. And this is the challenge for leaders in the new year, setting aside old ways of operating and adapting to new systems. The methods we once used to fulfill our purpose or to achieve our goals might not be effective anymore. As we guide our organizations, there are environmental shifts that manifest in many ways. There's new leaders who are tasked with orchestrating business improvements. The organization refocuses on business models to improve profitability. There are workforce changes to meet skill demands and to integrate AI. There's evolving cost drivers for goods and services in the supply chain. There's unpredictable perceptions from customers, communities, and governments. And leaders must recognize that they're operating in a transformed environment. Thoughtful consideration of the shifts ahead and the risk involved is essential. When you press the clutch to shift, consider these leadership practices. First, clarify your purpose. An organization's values are evident through its actions. When stated values don't align with behaviors, employees, customers, communities, and shareholders will notice. Criticism comes quickly, so leaders must carefully consider what they're doing and why. They have to be prepared to explain their decisions, and extended risk assessments are crucial before moving forward. 2, increase your agility. To move quickly and easily, you have to exercise flexibility. And in business, this means planning for a variety of scenarios, including those once considered unlikely. Assume that unexpected events will occur and develop strategies to address them. Regularly meet with your core leadership team to make a list of unprecedented situations and begin planning for how you'll address them when, not if they arise. And third, monitor your speed. Sometimes moving slowly at first enables greater speed later. Resist the pressure to make decisions prematurely. What I'll call idling in the parking lot may be necessary until the path forward is clear. Because the first to move may become a target and encounter obstacles that others can avoid. Leaders must continually adapt to a rapidly evolving world, thoughtfully evaluating the shifts necessary for success. And this demands a growth mindset, prioritizing ongoing learning and curiosity. Recognize that mistakes are an inevitable part of progress. Embrace experimentation and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Given recent history, it's clear that the need for change will only accelerate, making it essential for leaders to continually elevate their skills. Thanks for listening.